Hello everyone, back again. Obviously this video was meant to be yesterday, but like I said, Tina was poorly yesterday. Now it's me today. Woke up with a headache, but it's gone pretty much now. I'm hoping you can hear because the camera's a bit further away, but I've got the microphone plugged in and you're on the tripod. But how are you all? Hope you're doing all okay. Usual update really on my leg, but I'll say to that in a minute. I've got a couple of shout outs to do. I'll get the first one out now. So I've got my dad and the missus now, Kate Elmers. So hope you are all doing okay. I said I'll give you a shout out. Hope you enjoyed your little night away as well that you had. Also, this is a little special one actually, but I can't go into too much detail because it's personal. I'm sorry I'm leaning, I'm actually facing that way because of my legs here, you see, so I'm not sitting straight facing the camera, so I'm twisting a bit. But got some good friends that I talk to. These are YouTubers, but I'll tell you their YouTube name after. We've got Helen and Carl. I thought, well, they've helped me out on this channel a little bit as well, giving me some information. 1 minute.
Go on.
She's rattling about, tidying up. They've helped us out a little bit on our channel. I think I gave them a shout out previously, I can't remember. But they're going through a little bit of a rough patch at the minute. Oh, guess you want to say hello before. Watch me leg.
Okay.
Say hello then.
Hi.
Right, you go on. Go on then,
Okay.
shout outs, mate. Her sister, and if I'm right, her sister's name is Amanda. She's been taken. I'm not going to go into full detail because obviously it's their business, but I'm just going to say that she's a little bit ill at the minute with a certain thing. And bless them, they've had to stop their camping. Because they live in their motorhome, you see. They sold their house. They sold their house to live in the motorhome. So they've just I think they've just come back actually from a little road trip. But they've had to go back because obviously Helen's sister has to go back and forth to the hospital for a month. Because obviously she doesn't drive and they're quite poorly, so she's doing that for them. So they're there for a month to obviously help her sister out. So anyway, hope you're all doing okay. Amanda, you know, good luck with everything and best wishes to you all. And Ellen and Carl all look after you. Oh no, they will. They're a lovely couple, them two. Oh, I almost forgot. They've got a dog as well, little Nookie. Husky. He is a beautiful little boy. So, you know, you just, you know, take it easy. Don't worry about YouTube. You've got more priorities to worry about. You know, think of your sister. You know, look after your sister, and that's one of the most important things. So you all take care, and hope you're doing all okay. Arvis just pulled the plug out for the Alexa. Tripped over it. But no, only 2 shout outs this time. I thought I'd do Ellen and Carl because I did message them because Ellen told me about what's been going on. So I thought, oh, you know, I'll give you all a shout out with everything that they're going through, and obviously my dad and Kate. So, you know, there's your shout outs. Hope you like them. Obviously, I've not got a beer to give you a toast to say cheers. And Tina saying, well, waving not hello today. What's up with you?
My back's hurting.
No, back's hurting, so she can't say hello to you. That's rubbish, isn't it? And Mum's behind the camera. But anyway, oh, the car. Remember me saying on not the video yesterday, the last video I done last week, the car's going for MOT, and guess what? Well, chuffed it passed. And passed with flying colours, funnily enough. Come with 2 advisories. I know one of them, I knew about it anyway because I've got 2 chips in my window screen, so what I've done, I've had them repaired anyway previously, so I'm not too fussed about that unless it cracks worse, which it shouldn't do because they've been filled in. And then it was just 2 trailing arm bushes. It come up with an advisory, but they said I might even be able to get away with it next year on the next MOT because they said it's not too bad. But one thing I was quite shocked because I've got a Ford, you see, and everyone knows that Fords are commonly known for rotting. You know what? The guy come back, dropped my car because obviously I can't drive there. The guy's picked it up and dropped it off for me. He said, Now what, your car's spotless underneath.
You do it.
I was like, what do you mean? He says, no rust, no corrosion, nothing underneath. And I was quite surprised actually, because I've had the car a year next month, November, and I've not cleaned underneath it. Okay then, and I was quite surprised. I know I've got a little bit of rust around the arches and that, which I'm going to sort out, but I was quite shocked. Not a speck of rust anywhere. And when he said to me, he actually, you know, he hasn't seen a Ford like that in quite a while, especially because ours is 2010, so it's 12 years old. So I was quite surprised. So
I wish I were 12 years old again.
So that's another thing, another year's MOT, so hopefully next year get the camping started again. Can't wait. We'll be talking, well, my legs should be back, hopefully, well, it won't be back to normal, but it should be okay by February, because that'll be the 6-month area. But anyone that's gruesome now, I'm going to show you my leg, but if anyone gets a bit queasy or sick over things like this, because I'm going to turn the camera around first, turn away in a minute. I'll tell you when, because I don't want you all think, oh, it's disgusting. Yeah, it's not a pretty sight, to be honest, because where I've had the bandage and that on, all my skin's dried up with my psoriasis as well, so it's all gone yellow and everything. It ain't pretty. I'll show you that in a minute, because I'll have to put my leg on Tina to show you. But yeah, so not really any change from last week. I mean, I'm actually seem to be walking a little bit better now since I've took the bandages and the plasters off, because obviously they're not pulling on me. But I'm getting there slowly. It's just a long process, isn't it?
Come on, people. I've got wax melts here what needs selling. Get in touch. Add me on Tina's Candles.
Where's the please?
On Facebook, please.
See, she's demanding. See what I have to put up with.
I've got baskets available here. Christmas baskets with 2 burners, bath bombs, wax melts and candles.
Do you want to talk to him?
I've just said something.
I'm in the middle of talking, she butts in. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around now so I can show you my leg. So Tina's going to have to move the chair out a little bit so I can show you.
Wait a minute.
Am I now? Yeah, this. See what I have to put up with.
But you know what? He loves me.
That's the problem.
Cheers, Bob.
Oh. So anyway, so that's good news. Car pass. My leg's healing nicely. Shout outs for all of you. Well, I think I've done them right anyway. Oh no, I forgot, didn't I? Helen and Carl, I didn't mention your YouTube channel. I knew there's something I forgot. So anyway, Helen and Carl, they've got a dog nookie, ain't they? Like I said, their YouTube channel, I'll put up, hang on, we'll look at the screen. I'll see if I can fit it up the top above my head, even though it's gone bald, or below. Their YouTube channel is Roaming in Raymond. So I'll put it in one on the top of the bottom. Not sure, you'll see it anyway when it pops up. So anyway, if you're squeamish, turn away now. No, it's below. Right, pop my leg up. You can see there's no bandage there now. There you go. Oh, it's a bit blurry actually for some reason. There you go, you can see a big scar in here. There's one here which you can't really see because of my psoriasis, and there was one there, but it was pretty much gone. Pull my sock down, bum. But you can see there where I'm all dry here. It's all blurry a little bit. I'm trying, there we go, focus it. There we go, that's better. You can see where it's dry. And then I've got that one there, which is healing. And then I've got 2, if I can get it, there. If it's focusing, it's not very good today. There we go. See where it's all dry. I'm having to moisturise it best I can now. Mum's there. Look at the blurriness. What's going on here? There we go. There's Tina. Kids are upstairs playing. So that's what my leg looks like now. Clearing up nicely, isn't it? It's getting there. Alright. Let me just pop my leg back down, because I'm going to go and rest it in a minute in the living room. Well, I had to clean the kettle this morning, didn't I? Yeah. How's a cup of tea? Mum makes a cup of tea, because obviously when I've got a bad headache I don't have sugar in my tea. Plus obviously now I've lost more weight again since the last video actually. 21 stone summit now, so I've gone down again, so good news again. but cleaned it out, you know, with that stuff that you can buy where it's like lime scale and that, because for some reason there's a weird taste in me tea. I have no idea what it was. I have no idea. But I've cleaned it out with that stuff, so I'm hoping that's done the job, because with it there, a load of lime scale comes shooting out, because we've got one of them instant boil kettles. So as soon as you push the button, it pretty much comes out hot within a few seconds.
So you noticed you lost weight?
No. Everyone said the same actually lately, that I've lost weight. Good. That's what I want to do. Need to get some of this fat off.
Well, it's all about losing weight. You have all flabby bits.
Yeah, that's the only problem. Yeah, but you exercise to get them off, don't you?
Oh yeah, how are you going to do that?
I don't know. Well, can't yet.
What, jog round square?
Not yet anyway. Have to see how things go once it's all healed, won't we? Anyway, only a quick one for you today, because obviously I need to get this uploaded, because I'm a day late already, so I need to get this all uploaded and edited and that. But as usual, you know, we've had a couple more new subscribers, so thank you very much. I'm Jamie. Tina's obviously was there, you see, you know, the two boys, Andrew and Harvey, and obviously you see me mum. And we're the Elmer's Adventures. So, you know, thanks for all the subscribers, thanks for all the watches and that you're all doing, and all the likes, you know. Get some more comments in with any questions, let us know. Anything to do with camping or cooking whilst you're camping, or what sort of things we actually use. I could do that on one video, the sort of things that we use for when we're camping, so you can see.
I might make a cake today.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Let us know if you want to see that. I'll show you some of the bits that we do for when we're camping. I mean, if I can get to them, because it's quite clogged up in there really, but I'll be able to show you a few bits, mightn't I, on the next video. Something else instead of watching me talk, and show you what other bits we've got. I'll actually show you our chairs that we've got at some point as well, because we've got some heavy duty chairs, because we have them foldable camping ones, and ones we used to get always kept breaking, because obviously I was over the weight limit of them, so we bought these new Vangos of animal for about a year now, and they're still going strong, so I'll show you them. But anyway, you know, please hit that subscribe button. I'll put it down below. Well, you can't subscribe on that, but you'll have to go into the video, into the profile to subscribe, or at the end of this video you'll see right at the very end it skips and goes into this one section where you have a video here and here like previous videos, and then you've got a little circle bit with the logo. That's a bit you can click on to subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the views and all the yous that have subscribed already. We really do appreciate it. So, you know, like I said, hit subscribe button, hit that bell button so you know when the videos are out as well, because you know what we're like, we're always changing. Like yesterday I should have done a video proper like this video yesterday, but it didn't happen. But that bell will notify you on your phone or whichever when the video's next available. And hit the like button as well, because it works a lot better for the analytics, or whatever they call it on YouTube, or whatever they say, whatever it's used for. You know, to get our channel out there and get it built up more. It seems to have stuck on one section around about, I think we're on 240 subscribers, but it goes offers up and down between 238 and 240. So I want to try and build it up a bit quicker. I know there's not much to watch at the minute, but there's plenty of other videos previously that we've done when we've been camping, so go back and have a look at them as well if you want. Anyway, you all take care, and thank you all so much, and we'll see you next week. Ta-da for now.